We are going through this 1975 Williams Space Lab. I'm sorry, Space Mission. We're on a mission. Mission to get this thing done. Taking a little bit closer look. See that? That shadow? I don't know if you saw my other video. I don't care for spiders. It's not even so much the spiders, it's the webs. I just feel yuck. Look at that guy. Just hanging out waiting for me to run my hands through that stupid web. So we're gonna vacuum him out, or her, whatever. I'm not sexist. I don't care. I just don't want you in something I'm working on. I take it back. I don't hate spiders. I don't care for them. Okay, in the last video we went and we cleaned and waxed the play field, stripped it down, cleaned it up, cleaned up the top hoop, the apron. Now we're moving on. We're going to take this play field out and clean all the switches. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I stopped mid-sentence just to look at this amazing solder job. Jeez. Look at that. Well, that's all up in the stroke switches and everything. Wow. Anyway, we're going to take this out, go through it, go through all the mechanics. We're going to get that damn spider out of there. And we'll go from there. Okay, one last thing. I promise it's one last thing before we get this play field out. You just heard me mention this amazing soldering job, and the more I look at this, the more I keep stopping mid-sentence, because I don't even have words, man. I don't know where to start. But looking at this, okay, whatever attempt this was done just in this position. Always use protection, people. And when I say that, see this, all this solder just globbed on there. I know I don't have good light, I'm just using a handheld right now. But, okay, there's a glob on that motor. If we go down here to these very important switch stacks, look at, can you see all that? Down in there, it dripped all over this thing. This is your score motor, man. This is one of the most important parts of the game. But there's solder everywhere. No attempt was made to protect your work. I got it splashed way over here. I can promise it's down in this stepper unit here. But what happens is it's everywhere. Why don't you just dunk the whole thing in a bath of solder? I'm gonna set got the light down, so I don't know how much lighting you'll get. But all you need is one little drop, one piece, to touch these two switches together. And you're going to have one hell of a time finding where your problems are. I'm at a loss for words, man. I mean, I've seen some bad soldering, but there will be still frames of this, just for future reference. I'm curious now, coming back up. I mean, there's things that I give credit for people trying, but I hope this is just an at-home fix that somebody was trying to attempt, and not a so-called professional out in the field, because if I saw this, that they wouldn't be working for me very long. You know, he might finish out the day, but not even an attempt. Okay, see, sometimes we play detective. See that? Why is that dark there? Wait till we get this playfield out and I'll give you the answer.
I could have